What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily. Let's get into the news. All of today's news stories are just like confirmation pieces, and we should just call it Confirmation News Saturday, but let's jump into it. First story of the day is a tweet from Ice Universe saying, like the Note 10 Pro, the A90, which we don't care about, but regardless, the A90 5G version also supports 45 watt ultra fast charging. Now that's obviously very fast charging. The Galaxy S10 can charge at 15 watt, so times that by 3. Now we've talked about this already about it having 45 watt charging. Now the Note 10 Pro should have 45 watt charging. The Note 10 probably won't have the 45 watt. I would assume that it's gonna have 25 at the fastest, but at least 15 at the very least, but probably 25. So 45 watt, extremely fast, just increase everything by 3. So if it, like I've said in the past, takes 90 minutes possibly to charge from 0 to 100, it should take about what, an hour from 0 to 100 now at this point with 45 watt charging. So another reason to buy the Note 10 Pro, not only because you're gonna get a bigger screen at 6.7 inches, but also super fast charging. And the last story of the day is even more confirmation that the Galaxy Note 10 Pro will have a headphone jack. I can't confirm that the Note 10 will, just the regular version. It looks like the Note 10 Pro almost definitely will, I guess, at this point, because we have another case render. This is on Amazon's website, and I'll link it down below, for the Note 10 Pro showing the headphone jack. I didn't find this myself. A follower or viewer, fan, whatever you want to call him, named Opie, and I'll just leave it at that in case he doesn't want his last name being given out. And he sent me this link, so thank you, Opie. And it's from a company called Gesma, and you can see this photo, Note 10 Pro case. You can see this photo at the very bottom left. To the left of the USB-C charging, you see a headphone jack. This is confirmation because I spoke about this yesterday on Friday's news, that there was a case from Elixir that also showed, at least it looked like, a headphone jack. And previous rumors to all this was that they were removing the headphone jack on the Galaxy Note 10 line of phones, and it looks like possibly they're not at this point. Again, it's more confirmation that we're going to get headphone jacks on here, which is fantastic news. I use my headphone jack literally every single night in bed. It's probably a bad habit to get into. I put one earbud in, I lay this head just softly on the pillow while I listen to whatever YouTube shows that I watch, or relaxing music or rain sounds, and it just relaxes me and gets me to go to bed. And to not have an adapter or USB-C headphones that take up the charging port of it is fantastic. So this is honestly great news. I'm really happy about it. I know probably 98% of you guys are as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, how excited, happy, and willing are you to now upgrade to the Note 10 Pro, as it looks like it's going to have a headphone jack? Is that really the deciding factor? Because I saw some of you guys were like, I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not buying it. Let me know in the comments down below if you're now going to buy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I do videos every single day, 2 times a day, and I'll see you down the road.